Ghana so from your Lotto profit bebre about 70% of Ghanaian profits are fake. Now you're fake power women in Nigeria.
Prophecy number 6. I saw a woman leading the world. And this woman I'm seeing her in America. I saw Harris in her name. Let's pray for her.
Oh, believe in to one. Trust me. One you could paracetamol, one you could yeah, way nasha one you Obi obeka cho say and gospel to me be a catch and say bamboo so oboa. So with the hierarchy anan sunsuma sama baby anyankopon won oni nipa da se ni endili me na me catch wene. But some can say and I will ascend to the throne of what the most high, because not the most high, not all the 10th heaven, not the archangels, no more the 6th heaven. And you know can say I will ascend is a meko. Me tell Bible when na dia na aba say asofo na mo say and gospel to me nyame no kasa wen
omo de mba omo so a young guy omo de mba make say mba and you know most of us ya dream some of the people they are weak in mind, they will fall for it.
Masa open what to area enye kristosom MPP for nkofa etukese amia mai eto na wo pe man na wo pe obi am so pe ma enti emfa kwahye obi amfa bibi antrape oye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama kwa baba Xposed GH watch FM Bruce. Subscribe ma me little man na wonsaka. Ewiase ye frɛ bi Lotto. Patronim Lotto. Ye pay me, ye abobo. Ai. Ghana so from ye Lotto profit bebre about 70% of Ghanaian profits are fake. Now you're fake power women in Nigeria. I fake power. Fake power in Nigeria. Our means no worse. Oh, believe in to one. Trust me. One you could paracetamol, one you could yeah, way nasha one you Some of our customers and yes, wasem gunu wan animals be my o say I no John Mahama e bi o say John Mahama be gunu nu alusu we ko akaka mi meka say John Mahama offer the sangunity wa akaka bi mo US abani e beto e no say hilarious dey na no be wini or reporter ye go tiem da.
Prophecy number 6. I saw a woman leading the world. And this woman I'm seeing her in America. I saw Harris in her name. Let's pray for her. Prophecy.
What's a camera? No, I say I saw a woman. Well, whooshy. Then I'm so did me. Well, whooshy. Ghana for my catch am say yin jai ti mi no na so for omunim hwe ena mami ka ahinta sam nchiraw obi obeka cho say and gospel to me bia catch am say bamboo so oboa so with the hierarchy anan sunsuma sama baby anyankopon won oni nipa da se ni endili me na me catch wene we were meant to believe say there were 3 heavens me catch us say 10 time na there was a war in heaven, no, but some can say and I will ascend to the throne of what the most high, because not the most high, not all the 10th heaven, not the archangels, no more the 6th heaven. And you know can say I will ascend is a meko me tell Bible when na dia na aba say asofo na mo say and gospel to me nyame no kasa wen office nyame ye Lotto nyame onim ye besi ene before even the creation of the world, no one will say Jesus Christ will come and die. That's the kind of God me I know. It's a more quality to Mukwasi and no animal Kwasi and Yamina. No from Madame from Bayway. No good and men must say. So I can't draw. And true we are trying. Yes, I know. Can I will say, why I okay, one report and we can see that incumbent president, one electoral vote now, one report. Nipa say na the gezi oben show koma for answer wuti because the men nyina e dum. I no wonder wa papa ma pa say so this is a nyibi atare ho. I ori I say MPP for and the ma and I person the Leo and say, hey, Nanaji, Urafi. Near Miss Babaka wasn't 19 hours of Abra or by now born. Yes, so the Amadia, so Fanica. You go to Somra.
Or have you seen prophecies that
I got it wrong?
Yes.
Yeah, I sometimes get it wrong. That makes me a human being. Yeah, no prophet gets it. If every prophet that get 100% is fake. Sometimes God
I salute you. Do you know why?
Yeah.
For just telling that truth.
No, me, I don't lie. Sometimes God will twist your mouth, your lips, so as you make a mistake, so as you, the vessel, know that you're a human being. Sometimes I get it wrong. Yeah, so that is why you have to always be sharp spiritually. That is why in the space of a prophet, we don't like disturbances. Our emotions are very important to me because I can see red and misinterpret it. Yeah, so sometimes we get it wrong.
Also, no, say, or no, dear, in commission of cry, dear, or to me, na apaho. One him so the one him say, one the sometimes wrong. Me say, a Christopher, you won't bo. You can't say, because you must be or be a non entity. Now, or who be a professor, what to do? Because and yes, sir, obi o kan sam na wo say nkwasi asem na ni peka na so uji yenti odi akire ye di oman ye kisosuma ene hwese ne Ghana ya badu ye mobopo Christosum no anu nie ye nti nyame paase because ye ti nyame ase anka niam ye nyine be wo say niam na ye no enfa nyame hu ba bia okwa wo bros ye no magina say me Christoni ah enkofo ba no mo ba for cancer no ko wo mo do sawie wo si me Christoni woni nam nkomsha wo hu ye no wo si nkomsha we mahu you call yourself a Christian. Shame on you. And I pity especially young man so a dignity on makotena ho na sika kakra wanya no odia koma sofo in the name of what religion. Yes ba nsa no ye yes not wona kofo ni sika bre no ye tinye ye nsua de yo ye sua de a ye be say these people what they are teaching that was not what Jesus Christ taught. Far different. Obitimi you say ehwe mi suban uni suban ya unye Christoni. You can't tell me say oh boy gamai by a Christoni. It doesn't happen. And you bogus. Bible ni say ade no nyama what did dani nyina akọ nyama fofo na aba. Enti wo so no ban na me mama so ye Christoni. Send ye suafo no ye wo me say wenim de o me Christofo ene ye betimi aka cha sofo no say ya na. Owie o say MPP the about say etokese na be yolam say when Nigel ye benya yim etokese aso for Paul pe me mzambasa mbodi but you go to your kind somra
because they have attack everywhere. Attack banking sector, attack galamsey, attack teachers, attack which segment of society hasn't this government attack? I mean every segment of society this government have attacked. Almost saw a young guy. And you know, most of us, some of the people, they are weak in mind. They will fall for it. But so yeah, Jumano, now investments here, and no maybe will cry. You won't see me yet.
Almost said that set it and go up with the man.
Very well so, but it's
any election time.
I'm telling you, as a last
Friday,
suffer will Kofi Odrose or a target. So for your suffer with friends Opambo because when we said John Mahama be in the next president no they brought a lady say lady no a meeting or client so after sorry na only lady ni could die. You see these things you see I didn't say who denigrated the man of God, the prophet, but don't forget that religion is powerful and all of them, most of them, they go to church. And don't forget say power what's not watch 8 years Ghana I say what's not watch 8 years Manfred Champo because why so for Nigel Gates because why so for or Kum Chacha because why so for ye di for your because so for so be yeah because why so for. And don't forget say we have huge following and religion has a major role to play in election and body politicking. Into MPP where they di asori ne bone di asori ne bone so for Kwabna Teria before and so obewu hwene omo ye no hwene okaye So for Bediko be sorry Monday. Inside in over 2,000 capacity. Says I saw no more 80 people.
But say you were a software be no more attack you more or more national cathedral bodies. Obia attack you.
And some my young attack you. And I won't kind of crane so I attack.
A software year call Galam seaside echo bomb pie go on. So Obia attack you.
Some on sour mo udibia. Dog my midjan ko no ba attack me bi. When you pan come my dog. Who's watching me sabe ba.
I don't know okay bibia na kaso me say the battle is the Lord.
No, the point is that dog.
Yenyina chirosem because while Kase MPP did the battle is the Lord sir EDBD. Inti won't declare it. You are a prophet. Declare it. No weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen.
May the counsel of the wicked be foolishness.
Masa, open what warrior and yet Christosom. MPP for Kofa at Tukasia Miamai, at one hour per man, I will pay, Obian so per ma, it's and five percent, Obian for Bibian Trapel yet. One can say, will no trapel hold it, and you'll be a Baba Trapel. So called men of God, shameful people. Muko di kwasi asem wie ekori nkofo yin wie edidi kwasi asem ekoma nkofo sobolo nu wie no nko wu a ai meka stesen yamba no obi o pressure obefa pressure no lom si da bi bedi sobolo unim how many people have died mo committee crime murder na Ghana for to timie ya ma wadu se no onnom wo se Yakobon se ukohu Yakobon wen nyina ya from Christopher. No one that said Ghana yejina baby yejina because when you from Christopher ni dia kame akama som so obi to say or Christo nya member som because Christo som no eyade o say ma yenye ehan enchire wiase na wen wujina we so ye han chire wiase wo a wujina we papa wo ye han chire wiase no ede wo a obi Facebook obi ka chen say semini oba na so kore no wait me asem mama nka dia menka I expect you to friend Bruce o subscribe ma be the two pair that's aka ma no asi bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.